Hello, my name is Paul Priestley. Welcome to Artist in School, the home of art history for young people and for interested amateurs. It was supposed to be just a normal day recording a new video on Frida Kahlo, the Mexican artist. I'm actually in my studio in front of my green screen. I'm not really in Mexico. It's all done by some really interesting trickery. Everything was going fine, but then something really weird happened. Hello, sorry to interrupt. My name is Paul Priestley. That's a coincidence. Yes. I saw you were filming a famous artist video for your YouTube channel, Artist in School. Yes, it's about Frida Kahlo, the great Mexican artist. Well, surprisingly, I also run a YouTube channel. Mine is called Paul Priestley Art, and I make videos that teach beginners how to draw and paint. That sounds interesting. Well, I was thinking that if we could collaborate, perhaps all our subscribers could benefit. No, it shouldn't be too hard. What have you got in mind? Well, it seems to me we are both dealing with art. You deal with the history of art, and I deal with how to make it. Maybe some of our subscribers might be interested in knowing how to paint and draw. Oh, I'm sure they would. Well, in return for letting me speak to your subscribers, you could come on my channel and tell my subscribers what you do. I'm sure they would love to learn about great artists such as Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Claude Monet and Frida Kahlo that you're working on now. Well, that sounds a good idea to me. My channel's all yours. Cheers! Can I show a little clip of one of my drawing tutorials so that your viewers can get a flavour of what I do? Of course you can. I'm going to draw the line down the centre, but I'm not going to complete the oval shape this time. Now the centre line is this curve. You'll see what I'm doing in a moment. That's the curve for the mouth there. Okay, so the two dots for the eyes. You notice already it looks like the face is looking upwards, but this time we will be looking up the nose, which effectively is a triangle. So we're just going to draw in a very simple triangle shape, put a couple of blobs underneath just to represent the nose. You see the idea? The mouth then just becomes below that, and then the chin below that. Now, when you've got the head looking up like this, the ears are now below the eyes. Can you see where the ears are? Do you see? There. They're below the nose as well. That's great, but how are they going to find your channel? You've got to tell them. Okay. If you're interested in wanting to learn how to draw and paint, then please visit my channel, Paul Priestley Art. You can click on the link just up there and it'll take you straight to the channel. It'll be brilliant. Imagine, you could become a subscriber to both our channels. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Is your name really Paul Priestley? Sure is. We should get together. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!